Hey everyone, HP StarDesk AI Desktop PC is a fresh addition to HP's portfolio, aimed at both home and business users in China. With a focus on sleek aesthetics and future-ready hardware, it positions itself as a capable all-in-one system that balances design, power, and AI integration. Its standout feature is its adoption of Intel's latest Core Ultra 200 series processors, specifically Ultra 5 225 and Ultra 7 265, making it the first desktop to ship with Intel's neural processing unit. This integrated AI hardware is designed to offload tasks such as real-time transcription, background blur, and local inferencing from CPU and GPU, enabling smoother multitasking and more energy-efficient performance. From the outside, the StarDesk AI sports a contemporary and refined 16-liter chassis. Its curved edges and distinctive wood-textured front panel give it a sophisticated touch, blending into modern interiors. The chassis is compact but intelligently designed, allowing for thermal efficiency and upgrade potential. HP bundles the unit with a wireless keyboard and mouse, making the setup experience seamless out of the box. Under the hood, the PC is built on the Intel B860 chipset, which supports both the integrated NPU and future expansions, including discrete GPU upgrades through available dual 8-pin power connectors. The base configuration offers 16 gigabytes of high-speed DDR55600 ECC memory and a 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD, providing fast performance for daily tasks and heavier workloads. There's room for up to 32 gigabytes of memory and additional 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drives, offering flexibility for users who need more storage or memory over time. Cooling is handled by a centrifugal-style fan system that directs airflow efficiently across the SSD and CPU, with special attention given to active SSD cooling. Depending on the variant, users get either a 280-watt or a 400-watt 80-plus platinum-certified power supply, delivering up to 92% efficiency. This not only helps with power savings but also keeps the system ready for GPU upgrades like NVIDIA's upcoming RTX 5060. Connectivity is a strong suit for the StarDesk AI. It includes Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E, enabling faster and more stable wireless connections. The front panel offers a USB-C port capable of 10 gigabits per second data transfer, while the rear I/O houses DisplayPort 1.4a, HDMI, multiple USB-A ports, and support for daisy-chaining multiple displays with up to 8K resolution. For audio, the PC supports 5.1-channel surround sound, making it viable for entertainment as well as productivity. Pre-installed with Windows 11 and Microsoft Office Home, the PC is ready for immediate use in professional or educational settings. HP adds further value with an on-site warranty covering both labor and parts for up to 5 years, appealing to businesses and professionals who prioritize support and reliability. Environmentally, the system holds ENERGY STAR and a Peak Climate Plus Gold certifications, reflecting HP's effort to reduce the environmental impact of its hardware. Pricing is relatively competitive given the feature set and future-proofing. The base Ultra 525 model with 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte SSD starts at $635, while a more robust configuration with 32 gigabytes RAM and a 400 watts PSU is priced at $745. The top-tier Ultra 7 265 version with 32 gigabytes RAM costs $910, offering more power for users with demanding workloads. Overall, the HP StarDesk AI Desktop PC presents a compelling mix of performance, AI capability, thoughtful design, and upgradability. It's well-positioned for anyone looking to invest in a future-ready PC that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. Have a nice day and God bless you.